Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a practical PowerBI tutorial where I'll show you exactly how to work with JSON data, using a super simple example you can follow step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to take raw JSON data, get it into PowerBI, and start turning it into meaningful visualizations. Even if you've never worked with JSON before, I promise this process is straightforward, and you'll be ready to use it in your own projects. Let's get started. Suppose you have some JSON data. In my case, I generated a sample JSON file using ChatGPT, but you might have gotten yours from an API, a website, or a data export. To keep things simple, I've pasted the JSON into Notepad, just a basic text editor. The key here is making sure your data is saved in a file, and the file extension should be. This format tells PowerBI, hey, this file contains structured data. So our very first step, save your JSON data onto your computer. Make sure to double-check that it's in the correct file format. If you're not sure, right-click the file, select Properties, and verify that it ends with JSON. Little details like this matter because PowerBI needs to recognize the file type to import it correctly. Now that you've got your JSON saved and ready, open up PowerBI Desktop. Once you're inside, look for the Get Data option. This is usually in the ribbon up top. It's like the gateway for all your external data sources. Click it, and from the wealth of sources, select JSON. That tells PowerBI you're bringing in structured text data, and it'll know how to process and parse it. Hit Connect and browse to where you saved your JSON file on your system. Select your file and PowerBI will start importing it. If this step takes a moment, don't worry. Especially with larger files, it can take a few seconds for PowerBI to analyze the structure and contents of your data. Once your JSON file has loaded, you'll land in the Power Query editor. Think of this area as your data's prep kitchen. You can clean up, transform, or tweak your data before using it, which can be a lifesaver with messier datasets. For this demo, though, we're keeping things nice and simple, so we'll just click Close and Apply to save the imported data as is. PowerBI will then confirm and close out the editor, locking in your newly imported table. And just like that, you're ready to build. So here's the fun part. Head into the report view. This is where all the visualization magic happens. You'll see that PowerBI has turned your JSON data into a table format. This is huge. Tables are the backbone of most PowerBI projects. So now your data can be used to create charts, graphs, cards, or any other visuals you want. Test things out by dragging fields into your canvas, maybe a simple column chart or a pie chart, just to show how easily that JSON becomes a real, usable dataset. And remember, anytime you import new JSON, PowerBI will handle it just as smoothly. And really, that's all there is to it. You've taken JSON data, imported it, and turned it into something you can actually visualize and analyze, no coding required. If you followed along, you're well on your way to leveraging PowerBI for all kinds of real-world JSON sources. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with a particular data format. I'm always happy to support. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical PowerBI guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.